Hi there guys, hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Dream Theater's Home guitar solo by John Petrucci. So usually I share my videos with half speed playing with tabs, but in this video I want to show you in detail, slowly, lick by lick, because this is an amazing guitar solo. So I'm gonna get a copyright issue on this video. If you want to support my channel, please become a member, or if you are looking for the tabs, you can join my Patreon page and that will help you. So anyways, let's get started guys. First, this is a drop D song, so you're gonna get drop D sound. You need a tremolo bar for this song. You need a lot of delay for your sound because it will sit in the sound in a better way. Yes, you get your tone, you get your delay, you have a guitar with a tremolo bar. If it's a Majesty, it could be great. So the solo starts with a die bomb from G string. Okay, to get a clean sound for this die bomb, or what you call tremolo trick, you need to mute the other strings. If you don't mute them, it's gonna sound like this. You will get the other strings noise. So use your right and left hand to cover. Clean sound. Okay. And then we have 7th fret. John not doing this 7th fret, the D note with the tremolo bar. So I exaggerate that and get a this kind of more aggressive sound. Yeah, after that he is playing, and from this note he's using tremolo bar and getting this trick. And as you can hear, a lot of backslides. And it's not just the minor, it's harmonic minor. It sounds more oriental, and let the riff So when you play solos or when you learn the solos, always try to understand what is the key, what's the scale that they are using in the solo. So once you do that, you can use these tricks in your solos too. Okay, so after that point, we have, as you can see, it's not just starting from a another. And additionally, I'm trying to cover the strings to not get a overlapped sound or dirty sound. So these fingers trying to control. Additional to my right hand trying to cover the lower strings. But to get the best sound, you need to cover with both hands. And then we have a scale on here. The first note is muted. Sorry, I played normal minor, but it has to be a harmonic minor. And then we have a lot of, let's say, oriental field legatos with backslide. And now we have artificial harmonic here. And then we are entering a diminished zone here. And we have a palm muted 7th fret on low E. So. Harmonic minor again. And now we have a diminished scale on. In the recording, what we hear the 4th fret. First note, and then we hear. But in live shows, like we see John Petrucci playing from here, but in the recording you have this note. So it could be, I don't know, but it's not possible jumping from here to here. Anyways, what I do, I usually get an open string. And then we have. It's so cool because you expect this, but you have the F here. And now we have another amazing John Petrucci lick. And we have a pentatonic lick here and blues. Amazing. For this lick, the trick and the key is I usually bend, but in that speed it's not possible. And when you watch live, you see that John Petrucci bending like to the down. And we have the last scale on, the last lick. You expect the same sequence, but he is changing here, which is quite hard because we are jumping from G to high E. And then same pattern, the first pattern. And finale. So let's play again. And the trick here, you can use economy picking. Down, down. Or you can use alternative. Choice is yours. I play first economy, first alternate, and then economy. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I tried to explain in detail as much as I can. As you can understand, I'm gonna get a copyright issue with this video, so I don't have any sponsors. If you sponsor this video, guys, by joining my YouTube membership program or joining my Patreon page, it could be very helpful. So as always, if you need any help, just let me know, guys, and I will try my best to help you. And I hope to see you on my upcoming videos. Cheers, guys.